Hey guys, this is EYL2 Alarms, and this is going to be System Test 36, or Fire Alarm System Test 36. Am I here? I am here with...
Sam, Samuel Productions.
Okay, and let's get started. So, there has been a lot of changes made, and I also got some exciting news. Well, some exciting news, some not exciting, but however, I'm going to tell you. So, here's a homemade panel right here. Kind of sees the same thing as always. As if you know this, if you have been following me on Discord or, yeah, this panel, the homemade panel I have here will be finally retiring from its use. The homemade panel is Fire Eliminator 8500 DLPS. Yeah, Fire Eliminator 8500 DLPS homemade panel. That it will be discontinued. Discontinued. That it will be retiring soon, because I might be getting a new panel soon. So stay tuned for that. You kind of see there's the color and all that in there. We have a Simplex 2098 9201 with the 9201 base. And here we have a Simplex 4903 that's 9236 electronic one strobe. So yeah. We have a Simplex 4099 that's we have a Simplex 2099 that's 9006, I believe. That is the model number. Hey guys, this is just a voiceover of EYL8902 Alarms. You notice I actually painted the bat boxes for the pulsations red, and I actually think it looks pretty nice. So yeah. I don't know, but it is a 2099. We have a Simplex 4904. I forgot the model number of it, but it's just, I think it's a 30 candela strobe. And we have a Simplex 2098 9636 with the 9211 base. In the restroom, we have the 4904 9101 strobe. We have the Siemens DT11. I know it's not a looks device, but whatever. And the 4251-21. We have a Simplex 499 that's 9006 behind the mini stopper. An Essator. And we have a Simplex True Alert. This is the 4903 that's 9425, I believe it is. Yeah. And here is a 498 9601 smoke detector. So, which device do you want me to pull or activate? Actually, activate. Yeah, activate.
Activate the 425121.
All right, so let's do that. Yeah, I have my keys over here, and so here we go. Let me reset that while I'm here. Silence, 4-wire auto silence. Okay, pull is reset. I think we're reset by the panel now. Let's over here for a second. So here is the 403 on 4-wire auto silence. Makes a weird whining sound. I don't know why, but yeah. But yeah. There's the 49101. See, it makes like this weird whining sound. Anyway, we're gonna reactivate.
I love Simplex True Alerts because they have them in my store.
No, this is the 403. That's the 403 9236 making the whining sound. But yeah, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and activate the first Simplex detector, the 2098-9201 smoke detector. Reactivate the system. There we go. There. I'll just use smoke saber or smoke check. Mad it's not gonna work. Well, we'll use that. There we go. If magic pen doesn't work, use the smoke saber or smoke checker. There's the strobe. Yeah, it's loud. Wow, that's loud. We got 2 alarms you can see on the outside here. We got zone 1 and 3. So, let me go ahead and clear the smoke out of the that detector. Okay. Okay, get that smoke out of there. And reactivate. So there it is. You can see the True Alert's working. So we'll reset from the net leader. Okay. Now that's reset. You can see that. So now we're going to test the 2098 96 36. So let's move this. Here we go. There it goes. Okay, it was silenced. There's 2003. And now we're going to go ahead and reset the panel. Okay. So, what coding do you want next? March time, code 3, or continuous, or go for 4 or slow march? You there?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay. So do you want the you want a different coding this time?
Do March time.
All right. We'll do that. March time. And now let's activate the 2099 pull. We're going to activate 29 pull. I'm going to silence that. And then now we're going to do the, actually we'll do the 499 next. So here we go. Alright, we'll get the keys. I don't know why the video sounds 30 frames per second, but whatever, I guess. Alright. So we're going to reset the pulsation behind this stopper, mini stopper. We'll reset. Okay. Let that reset. And now we're going to do the 4099-9006 smoke. Sorry, yeah, the 498, the 498-9601 smoke detector. So we'll do that right now. Yeah. Goes. So if we're active, you can see that. So now we're going to get the get all that smoke out. Okay, so there it is. It's cleared out. We're going to reset. So what code do you want to do next now? What code do you want to do next now? Oh, this is definitely, okay. Well, all right. Well, we're going to do the Siemens heat detector right now. The Siemens heat detector. So, the DT11, so here we go. Okay, so there it is. You can see that. Zone 3 and alarm. So here is the 403 to 4-wire silence. We have the Simplex strobe over here. The other Simplex strobe. And the true alerts. And you can see it's working perfectly now after I fixed it, so yeah. Anyway. Okay, so now we're going to reset the panel, or in front, well actually no, we'll reset the front panel. You know what? We're going to do something really annoying.
Huh?
We're going to do something really annoying. I'm going to put it on continuous.
I was gonna suggest that, then I was like, no.
Anyway, so yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Yeah, we're actually gonna do this. We're gonna put this on continuous right now. We're gonna do a little trolling. So, and again, this is really a bad idea. Okay, this is a really bad idea to do this, but whatever. It's gonna. Okay, so we just let's actually pull. Let's actually pull the that key activated. So let's pull this guy. Oh, this is even louder. Okay, that was a bad idea to do that. That was a bad idea. Okay, that was a bad idea to do that. Wow. Huh? The Drooler's even louder.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the Drooler's even louder.
That's horrible.
So, yeah, there it is. That was a bad idea to do that. Okay. Reset. Okay, didn't re-alarm. Good. Alright, didn't re-alarm. Alright, good. So it takes like 10 seconds to initialize. Anyway. Alright, so there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was a really bad idea to put that continuous, but whatever. You want to put it on a walk test now? Let's put on a walk test. Okay, I don't know why it did that, but zone 2 was not even, well, yeah, because it was active before. And all right, so what's that was a little bit of a bug there. A panel bug. This is why I want to retire this panel. Anyway, I'm gonna do this a lot of editing in this video. How about that? So, you know what? Since I'm gonna try, let's do the 2098 again, walk test. This should be zone 1. There it goes, finally. I'm not sure you heard that, but that was on zone 1. So, another example. We'll do 2. This is zone 2. That's zone 2. Okay, and then we're going to do the get the keys later. And then, okay. So that's continuous. It was a bad idea. That was a bad idea to do that. But, okay. So now we're going to do the, E4099, should be zone 3. And that does 3 pulses, which means it's on zone 3. Now, last but not least, we'll do the smoke. The 4098 9601 smoke. That's alright. 21 minutes already. Well, this video's gonna be edited anyway, so there's there it goes. Okay, that's it right there. Goes. You see zone 4. So now we'll go ahead and actually, now we'll go ahead and take a walk test. And I'm going to show you. Some people may ask, well, does the supervisory work? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you that right now. That yes, the zone supervision does work. So we'll go ahead and show you the supervision. You see it's working. See, it's working. Okay, someone wants to ask that. Yes, it's working. Anyway, that is the test. Yeah, pretty wild one. How about that? So you guys liked it. You guys liked it. Hello?
Do what? Sorry.
How you guys liked it?
I think it was great.
It's loud too. It's loud. That was a bad idea to do that, but yeah. Anyway. So okay, so that is the test. So this panel, the homemade panel, the Fire Illuminator 8500 DLPS will be retiring soon for a new panel. Don't ask me. It's going to be a surprise. So if you're going to ask, oh, what's a new panel? Don't ask me because I won't answer it. Surprise. Anyway, yes, it is a surprise, yes. So, that is it, guys. That is System Test, or Fire Alarm System Test 36 with Simplex electronic horns. And they are very loud. Super loud. Yeah, they are very loud. Wow, this Truler is actually louder than the Fire 3 9236. But yeah, that concludes this test. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.